This is the form in Britain's dance halls if you want to be with it these days. The twist, shake, hully-gully, hitchhiker, Madison, monkey, nod. But if, like me, you haven't caught up with these modern dance crazes yet, then don't worry too much. Because according to most of the experts, these dances are on the way out anyway. What sort of pleasure does it give you doing this sort of dance, the shake?
That's how my inhibitions go, I suppose.
Would you like to see a return of the old-fashioned dances?
No.
Why not?
They're too dull.
Do you expect to find romance doing this? Then why are you bothering to do it?
I like it.
What about the old-fashioned dances when you can get near your partner? Would you like that? Why not?
Oh, I don't know. It's dead, isn't it?
Yeah, but you can get close to your partner that way.
Wants to get close to him.
Would you like to see a return of the old-fashioned dances?
No.
Why not?
Can't do that.
What do you do? Do you come here looking for a boyfriend or not?
No.
Keep going. Would you like to see a return of the old-fashioned dances?
No, thank you.
Why not?
Well, it is old-fashioned, as you said.
Did you ever expect to find romance doing this sort of dance?
Well, you find the girls.
What happens to the romance?
Well, it comes with the girls.
Would you like to see a revival of the old-fashioned dances? What about you? How much romance do you expect to find?
Well, there's no romance. You just come down, you know, company, I think.
What sort of satisfaction does it give you doing this?
Well, I find it keeps you fit, mainly, you know. But,
Wouldn't you rather have your partner in your arms, though?
it's all according to what dance you're doing, isn't it? I mean, say if you're doing a waltz or a quick step, no, but anything else, yeah.
Would you like to see a revival of those old-fashioned dances?
Well, no, not really. I think this is more entertaining for the youngsters, you know. When I say youngsters, people like me.
Would you like to see a revival of the old-fashioned dances?
Oh, not at all, no.
Why
You get
not?
much more fun this way. You sort of can let yourself go, you know. You just come up for kicks and laughs, you know, everybody's happy.
Well, if the views of these kids are anything to go by, then the experts are wrong. For these kids say that the twist and the shake and dances like that are here to stay. They just don't want to know the foxtrot, the waltz and the quick step. And when it comes to the question of romance, well, they say they won't find it on the dance floor anyway. They wait until afterwards. So it seems that if you can't beat them, join them. Back this way.